The McCormick-Stillman Railroad Park is located off of Scottsdale Road and Indian Bend. It has trains in it and all sorts of little things. It's kind of neat to take the kids to. Let's go look at the train behind us right now and just see what that's like. So you can see this is a steam engine, and it's got a couple of cars in it as well. There's where you get the tickets to ride a train. The train's right over there. It's a smaller train, and they do have a carousel here. Small train appears to be 4 or 5 feet tall. You can see there's the line for getting onto it. And here's the train that you can ride a little bit more in detail. Probably about 16 inches between the tracks. You see they got a bank, a depot, a little western town over there. The train kind of goes around the whole park area here. And you can see everything in this park is themed with a train. Right now it looks like they're loading up that train. And there's the corner of Scottsdale and Indian Bend right there, just so you can see what it is. It's Camelback Mountain behind the tree line there. Nice place to take the kids. And here's another railway car. Plenty of parking out here.